Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title, today I am going to be taking some pictures to do a little Photoshop edit into like old school type pictures that they would take at the mall in the 90s. I have my little outfit here. I have my little mom jeans. This little white crop top has a little butterfly on it. I did my makeup as 90s as I could. I didn't use falsies or anything because I went and researched, or not researched, I went and looked up a bunch of pictures of girls in the 90s and they didn't really use falsies very often. They used a lot of mascara and eyeliner. So this is the final result. I do be looking a little bit cute or whatever. I have my hoops on and my little hair clip just on one side. I moosed the fuck out of these little ends right here. And yeah, my little setup is right here. Sorry, it's kind of dirty, but I am going to be putting my phone right here and I'm going to be sitting here, and then I'll show you guys how I end up editing the pictures and how that ends up looking as a final result. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and set up this phone to record me taking pictures. So if you guys want to see how these pictures turn out and how I edit them and everything, please keep on watching. And before we do start today's video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And yeah, let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I don't have the option to screen record because I have an Android, but this is what I'm doing right now. So I'm on PixArt and I chose the background where I'm going to Photoshop myself into. And now what we're going to do is we're going to add a photo, and then here's all the pictures that I took. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose which one I like best. I had one in mind. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and add that. So I went ahead and added it like this. And what we're gonna do next is we're going to choose the cutout option. So we're gonna go ahead and outline what we want to cut out. So it's gonna be my whole body plus a little bit of this platform here. So we're creating a sticker now, and now you can choose specifically, you know, if there's any part that didn't come out all the way right, we're gonna go ahead and just fix it, and then that way you could see how it's gonna look. See if there's any spots that are missing. Hope you guys can see that well. I don't know another way to show this, so this is going to be as good as it gets right now. And I'm sorry if this is kind of difficult to see what I'm doing, but that's basically it. Okay, so there I went ahead and cut myself out, and then this is what it's going to look like. You can go even further into detail by zooming in and making sure you crop out anything that looks out of place or that's going to stand out. Okay, so there's that. I'm gonna go ahead and save it. And so I'm going to kind of position myself so I'm like hovering in it. Oops. Oh, I don't want it to be like that. Okay. I'm going to position myself more on this side. Okay, so I think right there is fine. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and save that part, and then what I'm gonna do is go to effects, and here's the first one that says FX, and you're gonna go and do film number 2. And then I'm gonna go ahead and, sorry, my mom texted me. I'm gonna go ahead and fade that a little bit, but I'm gonna add more noise. I'm gonna blur it a little bit more. I'm gonna do like 50% of that one. Film number 3 works well too if you want it to be a little bit more brighter. But I like film number 2, so I'm gonna go ahead and set that at 45%. I'm gonna add a little bit more noise. Okay, and then one other thing I'm going to do is I'm gonna go to tools. I'm gonna adjust, and then I'm going to give it a little bit more highlight. And a little bit more brightness. Fix the contrast a little bit. We're gonna go back to effects. I'm gonna do the Dodger one to make it look a little bit more vintage. We're gonna fade that a little bit though. Okay, so there is that one. You can add a bunch of different backgrounds. I found this one online on Google and I just took a screenshot of it. And so that's basically how it's gonna turn out. It's a little 90s moment. I'll show these at the end in like clear aspects so you guys can see. And I might do a few more edits on different pictures, but this is just an example for one. So it's a really easy thing to do. It looks like you've got this little photo shoot at the mall, and it's very 90s, very retro. So yeah, that's how it turned out. And as I said, I'll show them to you guys, like, because there's like glare and stuff. I'll show them at the end of this video, so make sure you stay for that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and save it, and we're all done. You could choose whatever background you want to do. That's just one of the few that I found on the internet. It was really hard to find those specific like airbrushed backgrounds. I don't know why. I feel like they just don't have them out there for, you know, regular use for regular people. I think it's just people, photographers that buy them online. You can buy like a backdrop online, but they're like, you know, $40-50 for the backdrop. So I just found that easier to do, I guess. Alright guys, that concludes today's video. I hope you did enjoy it, and I hope you guys can recreate something like this. It's just something really fun that I've always wanted to do. I've always wanted to get one of these photo shoots done, but I've never had the money or known a place to go get them done. So I was like, why not just do it myself, see if I can actually achieve this. And I'm actually really happy with how the pictures turned out. So yeah, if you guys do end up recreating something like this, please tag me on Instagram. I would love to see it. And yeah, so if you did enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to comment down below, tell me what you thought about it. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you know when I post a new video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Thank you so much for being here. I love you guys. Bye.